Wow, here we are at Live Shots, Think Beyond Medicine. We will like to cover some of these facilities that are being provided by Live Shots. So let's have a look at what they have in here. They've got, something known as sports rehabilitation, meditative dentistry. You've got mind health sleep clinic. You've got the EdgeBot. This looks very futuristic, and I think this is something that people have not seen, not experienced. So let's go in and let's watch. So hi, good afternoon, doctor.
Hi, Rohan. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good. Welcome to Live Shots.
Thank you. And I just had to look outside and I saw your board, and I think you've got innovative stuff here, futuristic stuff. So very excited to actually visit your facility and have a look. So just a brief background from BI Sports. So I'm part of BI Sports and we cover sports athletes. And for a change, we would also like to look at, how we can have recovery for sports athletes. So the whole objective of this exercise would be to have a look at the various technologies that you have for sports recuperation and, any other stuff that you'd like to share with us.
Wonderful work that you're doing, actually. So my name is Dr. Aslesha.
Yes.
I'm a musculoskeletal sports injury specialist.
Great.
And here at Live Shots, we think beyond medicine. So let me take you guys for a whole tour.
Awesome.
Over to you, Dr. Kalindi.
Hello Rohan, how are you?
Hi, doctor.
I'm Dr. Kalindi. I'm a Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, and I'm a certified ozone therapy practitioner.
Great.
So I look forward to helping the sports athletes, every one of them, to recover from their soreness, muscle pains and aches, but with some different type of therapies using needles.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay.
And
Great.
I go for using a lot of natural ways, including water therapy, heat, and a lot of different stuff. So let's come and explore. Let me show you the place.
Great.
around.
Awesome. Let's go.
Please come, Rohan. Yeah. So this is the jacuzzi that we have over here. It is actually a couple jacuzzi. Even if multiple teammates they want to come and explore it, they can come down.
Okay. Great.
So when we talk about sports people,
Yes.
it's not just about the burnout that they feel at a physical level, but it also is up to a certain level on the mental
That's
state
right.
of them as
Yes.
well. That pressure at which they have to perform and all
Correct.
of those. So once they are done with it,
Mhm.
we use equipments like this
Okay.
where we have different modes of water bubbling there.
Right.
So when they sit with their backs towards these pumps,
Mhm.
their muscles they relax,
Okay.
as well as there is a serotonin boost which
Okay.
will help them to relax mentally.
Mentally.
also.
Awesome. Yeah.
So yeah, this is one of our recovery options for all the sports and athletes right after they are done with their treatments, or they are done with a heavy workout, or done
Okay.
with their tournament. We can give this
Yeah.
thing to them.
Awesome. I think this
Yeah.
is wonderful. Okay, doc. So if you can explain to us this room.
Yes, so this room is dedicated to acupuncture and ozone therapy.
Mhm.
So we use acupuncture, which is related to inserting needles on different parts of the body based on how the person is suffering from what.
Is
For
it
a-
painless?
It is. It
It
is
is, okay.
painless. Like, come on now, it's
Hmm.
needles and there's puncturing of your surface, so a little bit of pain, but that's as good as an ant bite. Okay. So what happens is whenever the person has trapezitis, that is their traps muscles, they just get inflamed.
Right.
A lot of time when we see this in badminton players and stuff like that, or
Hmm.
even calf muscles, they become sore for athletes, right?
Right.
To loosen them up, we use this acupuncture therapy.
Okay.
So there are micro needles, very fine needles, as fine as a strand of a hair.
Wow.
So we insert them on the particular area according to the protocols.
Okay.
And what this does is it releases endorphin. Endorphin is a natural painkiller hormone,
Okay.
and that is released by our body when there is any kind of injury. So when I'm puncturing the area, it is in a way I am giving a micro injury.
To the injury.
Deliberately,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
your mind will perceive that, okay, there's an injury, so now I need to manage the pain.
Okay.
So I'll start producing more painkiller hormone, that is your endorphin. So that is how pain is managed, as well as the muscles become released and relaxed. so they are ready for their upcoming sports events.
So how soon does this recovery happen? I mean, is it very quick relief that a sports athlete gets?
So yeah, if at all we do a myofascial release needling therapy in which we actively break down the knots, that gives like quick results.
Okay.
And if I am giving a proper acupuncture session, it might work in single session or it may take around 3 to 4 sessions.
Okay, and one session would be duration?
Around 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, and we also stimulate it with electrodes. So sometimes if the muscle is too tight and I want to release the muscles, what I do is I insert the needles and I clip them up with electric wires, okay, electrodes, which are very low intensity, and we keep that for around 20 minutes, which helps in loosening of the muscles.
Great. Thanks for the information. So Doc, what's next?
Next is something very, very interesting and relaxing. So let me help you explore that. We call this a zero body. So please come.
Okay. Here we are. Zero body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So zero body this is.
Wow.
Yeah.
This looks really fancy.
It looks fancy and the work it does is very simple.
Okay.
So basically, when we talk about our sports players, they are generally deprived of sleep.
That's
and
true.
It is very important that our body has to undergo certain level of recovery.
Correct.
And our body undergoes recovery when it is at the sleeping mode or at night. When we sleep, that's when our body recovers naturally.
That's right.
And we know that today our lifestyle is such that we do not really get enough sleep, or that 8 hours of sound sleep that we want is not possible.
Right.
So this machine, we call it a dry float.
A dry float.
Here,
Okay.
yeah. So as the name suggests, you are like floating on the water.
So you're levitating basically.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Right. So you basically are lying here, but you don't get wet.
Okay.
So there is water underneath.
Okay.
There's bubbling that happens. There are different light modes based on what is the mental state of the patient. We can change the light settings as well.
Okay.
So you sleep on this and it gives you an effect of around 2 to 3 hours of sleep. Just 1 hour on this machine.
1 hour on this gives you 3 hours of sleep. That's amazing.
The kind of effect it gives.
What is the duration for this therapy?
Generally 45 minutes to
45 minutes.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, that's
Great.
what we go for. And also, if there is somebody who is having a jet lag, they can use this. It's really beneficial for them to recover that gap of their rest and recovery.
Great.
It can be used for
Great.
them.
Okay, I was just given a theoretical experience by Dr. Kalindi, and now I'm practically experiencing this body float. It is simply brilliant. This is something very unique. Never seen it before. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
We will explore yet another part of it, which is wet float also.
the wet. Okay.
We will
the
go for
opposite.
it
Awesome.
later on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. What's the next section that we got?
Next section here itself.
It's
we
right here?
have
Okay.
Right here. So this is something called the lympha press.
The lympha press.
Lympha
okay.
press. So as the name suggests, lympha press as in there is lymphatic drainage, which is very important.
Right.
So especially in athletes when they are using their muscles, right? When the muscles are worked up, they are going to release certain metabolic wastes.
Right.
Now these they remain in the blood, but even from the blood,
Mhm.
the waste that has to be gone out of the body,
Mhm.
it drains into your lymphatic drainage system.
Okay.
We work a lot on our circulation by giving massages and all of different kind of things,
Mhm.
but the lymphatics is something that is never worked upon.
Okay. Is this like a
So-
detox?
Kind of, you
Okay.
can say so.
Okay.
So we want the lymphatic fluid, which is basically the waste products from your blood that has drained into the lymphatic drainage.
Okay.
We want that to be activated so
Okay.
that it can be eliminated from our body, maybe through urination or through your sweat.
Okay.
So this particular machine works on that.
Okay.
The patient lies on the machine. We cuff him up on the abdomen area,
Okay.
on his lower limbs and the upper limbs, and then there is synchronized compression and release which will help in flowing of the lymphatics.
Great.
So that's
Okay.
how it works. It's really relaxing.
Okay.
Around 30 minutes of session is what we give for the patient.
30 minutes is the duration for this.
Yes.
Great. Awesome.
Okay.
Okay. Nice knowing this. So now, what's the next section you're going to take?
Next section, let's explore a few more water therapies, and
Okay.
yeah, there are some oxygen related therapies as well.
Okay.
We'll go one by one. And
Yeah,
I'll let
absolutely.
You know.
Let's go.
Please come.
Now we have with us Dr. Ashlesha, and so Doctor, what is this gadget all about?
Yes, so this is called as IRR roller shape.
Okay.
This equipment is utilized for lymphatic drainage, cellulitis, to tone up your body. How does it work? It has a red light therapy, a red light radiations. We all know the red lights are of different kinds that we get from the sunlight.
Right.
Here we are using the infrared red lights, which is 650 nanometer of radiations,
Okay.
which helps in increasing the circulation of the body,
Mhm.
reducing the inflammation, and not only that, can you see the rollers?
Yes.
The beautiful
Mhm.
wooden rollers.
Mhm.
This helps to do a myofascial release. Of the
Myofascial.
muscle release.
Okay.
Yeah. So myofascial release is a technique by which you break down the trigger points
Okay.
or the muscle knots. You say.
Okay. Muscle
This
knots.
is the perfect equipment for sports recovery.
Mhm.
Once the athlete is out of the ground, they
Mhm.
have that muscle soreness.
Yes.
This is the one they can do for a cool down
Right.
to get a better rejuvenation and to bounce back onto the field.
Okay.
Okay. Not only that,
Hmm.
this equipment is also for muscle toning. So you know
Okay. Yes.
whenever the athletes are overworked
Mhm.
or they are into intense training, there is
Right.
something called as sarcopenia.
Okay.
As the athlete is aging, or there are different age groups, right?
Right.
For them to prevent that,
Mhm.
this has been widely used.
Okay.
So it has a multiple benefits, starting from increasing the circulations, reducing the air swelling, and toning up the muscle. You can use this for overall well-being.
Okay. So, quick question for you is, what's the duration that a person needs to use this?
So it depends on the goal of a person,
Okay.
right? If you're coming for if I have to use this for a warm-up, I
Mhm.
would go for a 20 minutes duration for full body,
Okay.
where I'll be using this for 2 minutes on a different segments of the body.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay. So, roughly 20 minutes is what
20
you said.
minutes is for the warm-up.
For the warm-up.
If I have to go for a muscle toning or
Mhm.
contouring or for lymphatic drainage, then we have to use this for about 35 to 45 minutes, depending upon your BMI and your body
Great.
assessment.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, doctor, what's next? What do we have
Yes,
next?
let's go to the next room to understand what do we have now.
Great. So, what do we have here? Is this a lazy boy?
No, so this is our patient who is taking the very relaxing and a cold therapy with our cryo compressions.
So, if you can give us a little bit brief detail on this.
Yes, for sure. So when you see the cryo compressions, we give it for around 20 minutes to begin with, to
Okay.
reduce any kind of a basic inflammation or pain and aches. Definitely required a few more settings to see the impactful results.
Okay.
How does it work? Because of the compression, the
Mhm.
effusion or the swelling
Mhm.
reduces automatically,
Okay.
right? And it helps to mobilize the metabolic lactic acids and the joint metabolic substance from the joints, right? That's how the cryo compression helps.
Awesome. Thank you for that. So, doc, this just takes me back to my childhood days when I used to go to the railway station and we used to stand on top of something like this, put a slot, there was a slot machine, we used to put one coin and we used to get our future
The
in
weight.
there. And the weight as well,
Yeah.
as well as the astrology. So, what exactly is this?
That's very nostalgic. But let me take you to the future of athletic recovery with
Okay.
our Sonic Wave platform. Please, I
Sure.
would like you to
Okay.
once have an experience. To stand and then you look towards the other
Other side?
Yes, turn
Sure.
around, please.
Okay. Here we go.
Don't you worry.
Thank you.
So you're gonna experience a full waves, which is going to be starting from your lower limb to your upper limb, and it will slowly move towards your head as well. How are you feeling?
This is fabulous. Wow.
So basically, the ultrasound wave is traveling to entire cellular region from top to bottom to increase the circulation. This helps and aids into the lymphatic drainage as well as to calm you down by stimulating your vagus nerve. So this has a lot of impact onto your cardiovascular system and overall for your recovery. This can be utilized for warm up as well as for the cool down. So you do not have to go back to the old ways of doing the stretching and the old drills of warming up of aerobic exercises. You can utilize the sonic wave platform for getting the actual warm up and the cool down.
Does this have any impact on my weight?
Yes, it does. So it burns out the 800 calories because it's shaking the each muscles at the the fascia level. So that's where the slowly apoptosis process of fat dissolving will happen in a year or so.
Okay, I'm feeling lighter already, so
Yeah.
I feel like flying now. Okay, thanks for that. So what's the next one?
Yes, let me just move on to our other section
Okay.
where you'll be. We are looking forward for red light pod.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Wow, lots of information so far. And I can't see Dr. Ashlesha anywhere. This looks like a very futuristic place. Oh, what is this? Looks like this is meant for me to rest. So let me take a nap before she comes and feeds me with more information. Okay. Ah.
Rohan कहाँ चले गए? Where is Rohan?
Here I am.
Oh, you're already into red light sauna.
Looks like it. So
I think you are resting well.
thank you very much, doctor. So can you get me out of this place, please?
So you want me to rescue you?
Yes, yes. I'm looking for a
Okay.
rescue.
Come out.
Okay. Thank you.
How was it?
I think it is awesome. I feel like I've landed on another planet. I don't feel I'm on planet Earth. Is this Mars?
So this is another futuristic red light relax pod where we use this for cellular rejuvenation. And when you say recovery, what does it mean all about? It means increasing the circulation. It means that you have to increase the energy, lot of boost of ATP, and the muscle has to build up. So
Right.
these are the technologies which you should use for a correct recovery.
Great. I
Right.
think the few minutes that I was in there, I really felt it. So it's great.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's why it's called as longevity cocoon. So
Okay.
in Korea, people use this on an everyday basis for sweating themselves out,
Okay.
right? But when you are doing an athletic or the people who are onto the ground, they already sweat out immensely.
Right.
But all they need is muscle buildup. For
Okay.
that, you require a lot of infusion of a blood circulation. That's what happens in the red light pod.
Okay. Great. I think this technology is really futuristic. Never heard of it before.
Blown
so
your mind.
yeah, it blew my mind. Yeah. Okay. So what's the next? I mean, what is this?
Yes. So this is
Equipment.
called as hyperbaric oxygen therapy.
Okay.
So then, as the name suggests, hyperbaric oxygen therapy.
Right.
The oxygenation that a body will get inside this would be 100% delivery to the blood plasma.
Wow.
So
Okay.
this is widely used post the sports
Okay.
when you want to recover yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You are it. Where you will be increasing the amount of oxygenation to individual cells for improving your blood circulation and also tissue viability.
Right.
Right. So that's how the HBOT works. It can be from sports to anti-aging for many purposes.
Anti-aging. So when you mention anti-aging, I remember, this great celebrity, and the world knows him, Michael Jackson. I think, is this something similar that he was
Yes.
using?
So in America, there's a saying:
Mhm.
if you are rich, you'll have bungalow, car, and one hyperbaric oxygen therapy
Oh, wow, I didn't
in
know.
your home. Otherwise, you're not rich.
Okay.
So one of the technology that Michael Jackson and nowadays Anil Kapoor in India
Okay.
is taking for anti-aging is nothing but the hyperbaric oxygen.
Awesome. Okay. So is this expensive? I mean, so how does a common man afford something like this?
So when you say expensive, it is all about whom you're comparing to.
Okay.
Are we here comparing the hyperbaric oxygen with something that you're getting in the market with other ranges,
Mhm.
or are you looking forward to maintain your health?
Okay.
See, giving an amount to an extent
Hmm.
where you are too ill and nothing can be done,
Hmm.
and piling up that amount to the hospital
Right.
when you're too sick and nothing can be done
Mhm.
is expensive for me.
Mhm.
And maintaining your health everyday basis, I think, is
Right.
affordable for
I get the
everybody.
point. I get the point.
Right.
So awesome. So very nice to see, the various equipments that
for
you'll
the
have
recovery.
here. Yeah, for recovery. It's great. Thank you.
Let me take you to the next, which is the EMS training.
The EMS training. Okay, let's go.
So रोहन, डोले शोले,
एकदम देखो तो ट्राइसेप, बाइसेप.
ये सब हमारे EMS का कमाल है. इसको कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल मसल स्टिमुलेशंस, जो कि एक तरह का recent research based equipment है. Nowadays it has been said that just the weight training won't help
Okay.
to build up the muscle. You require more than that.
Okay.
So this electrical muscle stimulations gives that. It uses the correct amount of hertz and the stimulations to increase the tonality of the muscles. That's where you have lumbar EMS, shoulder EMS, hand EMS, and you can see, guys, the calf is also getting pumped up with our calf EMS.
Yeah, this feels like.
So 20 minutes of EMS training is like 1 hour of workout.
Wow. So does this make you a super athlete?
It will if you utilize with the correct drill and the protocols.
Okay, great, awesome. So there is a recommended procedure and stuff.
Yes, so that's where the sports physiotherapy comes in the picture. Right now you can see your muscle is getting shaken up.
That's it.
So the hand which is getting shaken up, the faster is a little bit weaker, and it
Okay.
is not so sensitized with the current. So it will take some time for you to accommodate, right?
Okay.
So on that basis, we actually calculate the dosage of the electrical muscle stimulations.
Okay. Any after effects of something like this?
No, as it's a non-invasive
Okay.
and it's an external, the current procedure, it doesn't have any kind of a side effect, but it gets used to for the body. So we might have to increase the tolerance level of the current that we are using.
Okay. So now a quick question for you. Is this, am I doing well with this?
The levels are looking okay. So
Okay.
you're doing moderately fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, I will be showcasing you something called as kinetic velocity trainer. So I'll just take down the hand EMS and slowly you come down towards this segment. Hi Rohan, enjoying on my kinetic velocity training.
Absolutely. This is phenomenal. Fantastic.
So this is a very technological and a research-based, equipment where we train your muscles according to the velocity, right? So kinetic velocity trainer helps to increase the strength by utilizing your own inertia, right? With a rhythm.
Okay. So does this have reps like in the gyms you have like 10 reps? 20
Yes,
reps? Is that-
exactly. But you gotta hold up your core to get a corrections there, right? It does has repetitions, protocols for the overall body to have outcomes or a wonderful results.
Okay, great.
Let me take you for the live example where I would like to show you how do we do a recovery instantly.
Okay,
When I
looks like
say-
we have a patient in here.
Yeah, we have a patient over here.
Okay.
So hi sir, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
How are you?
Right. So you had this shoulder pain, right?
Yeah.
Because of your bowling activity.
Yeah.
Right. So how long you have been having this pain?
1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
All right. That's a long time. So see, usually whenever such pain happens,
Mhm.
there's a lot of tendency of inflammation. That is being taken care by this something called as local neurocryotherapy.
Okay.
Right? So let me introduce you with the man who is behind this beautiful concept, Think Beyond Medicine. The conceptualizer, the one who has thought and got onto the mission of drug to drugless journey. So he will be the one who will be also doing the recovery with the patient. So handing over to you, sir, Mr. Krishna Bhai.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's a pleasure to meet you, Doc. I mean, we've
Thank
been in
you.
your facility for some time now and had a look at most of the technology that you brought in. I think, we've never seen anything like this. It's very innovative, very futuristic. So, glad to see, what's going to happen here right now. This is going to be a live
Yeah.
experiment. So, over to you.
Pleasure is ours, okay? So, because end of the day, whatever we got into this city,
Right.
that's unless it doesn't reach the society, okay, unless people don't change their mindset
Yes.
and change their thought process,
Right.
that for every illness, they always thought there is a pill.
Correct.
But they have slowly forgotten that for every pill they take,
Yes.
okay, there are a lot of illnesses to follow.
Right.
So that's where, as a pharmacist, I thought there is a blatant need where this paradigm shift should have happened from curative to preventive.
Right.
On that note, I just thought, let me change the whole face of healthcare in the society. It is a gift of health to the society.
Right.
If they take it in a right spirit and understand, I'll tell you, the future is going to be more healthier.
Awesome.
And
I
people
think
will be completely live beyond medicine. It's definitely a possible, because nobody has a drug deficiency in their body. It's
Right.
only that we don't care for ourselves. We don't know how to care for ourselves. That's where the disconnect is.
okay.
So this is exactly the way the future. I know the celebrities are taking care of themselves. The sportsmen of the world are taking care.
Right.
Why not a commoner? Everybody, the life is important, right?
Awesome.
Everybody is supposed to be healthier.
Great.
Okay.
I think
For
that's a
them,
wo-
they are in a competitive
Yes.
sport or competitive, arena. But here, everybody has to live, and they work more than the commoner works more than a celebrity. I'm sure you
Absolutely,
understand
yes.
this, right?
I totally
So I
agree.
felt let us treat everyone like a celebrity. Why only celebrities?
Awesome. I
Thank
think
you.
your philosophy, vision, I think is really.
So let's start with
world-class.
the session. This is called localized cryotherapy.
Okay.
Localized is, we directly spray cold at minus 70.
Okay.
It's a CO2 tank.
Mhm.
When I spray cold at minus 70, instantly the thermal shock will be attained.
Okay.
When I reduce the body temperature from 32 to directly 4 degrees, this fall of temperature is called as thermal shock.
Okay.
When I spray cold, that is achieved, and
Mhm.
the thermal shock will lead to endorphin release. Endorphins are the pain masking and stress buster
Right.
hormones.
Yes.
Okay, instantly the pain is reduced because all the blood vessels, they constrict because of the extreme cold.
Okay.
And when I stop it, the blood circulation will revive,
Okay.
and improved blood circulation will give all the benefits of pain management.
Great.
Okay?
Okay.
This is the future of healthcare. That's how the celebrities are recovering, even on the ground with the severe pains.
Awesome.
They don't
Okay.
take paracetamols or ibuprofens of the
Okay.
pharmacy.
Okay.
It's completely drugless, and I'm sure he will have an immediate recovery now. Okay,
Great.
let's start. It takes only 90 seconds, not
awesome.
beyond that.
Okay, great. Let's have a look. Yeah.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay.
It's only sound, okay? You don't need to worry. Yeah. How was it?
Quite relaxed.
You felt already cold, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now he has got the thermal shock. We have already got the temperature down to 4 degrees.
So is he numb?
No, I will just give him a lymphatic drainage that will help improving the circulation. Okay.
Okay.
That's called lympha massage. Now it's wet. I don't have to do this in the wet area. Okay. Now what I'll do, one more round of shower I'll do. Okay. So now I can give a lymphatic drainage. So it will help him to improve the blood circulation here. Okay. He will be numb now here.
Mhm.
So he can move his neck. Earlier he was unable to move his neck. It takes only 90 seconds. People come with the pain. They will not only pay, they will also say thank you and move out of the clinic.
Okay.
If they don't say thank you, and if they are not, the pain is not gone, they don't have to pay for me.
Wow. Okay.
Just check. How is it? Just move your neck. Yeah, completely moving.
Yeah.
That's it.
Proof in the pudding.
Yeah.
So we say that if people come limping, they can go running.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the whole idea behind it.
That's great.
Migraine, headaches. Okay. So instantly, what we do is we just spray cold, and it's called cryo shower.
Cryo shower.
It takes only 90 seconds. No pain in the head will remain.
Wow. Wow. That's it?
Yeah. Just a minute. So we do also cryofacial with this. We
Okay.
also do cryolipolysis. We can burn any fat without, much of a struggle. We
Wow.
spray cold -70 on a fat which is accumulated. When the fat gets exposed to extreme cold, all the fat cells will slowly die away, and dekte in 6 months everything gets drained off, and you can lose a lot of inches without you doing anything. This is called cryolipolysis. Okay,
Okay.
great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Thanks, doctor. That was a pleasure. And that was awesome. I mean, I've never felt anything like this.
Sure.
So, yeah.